Hello, this is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel. Well, today's video is Monday Crochet Chat, and I just have a few things that I would like to show you guys, so grab you a cup of coffee. I am drinking out of Wake Me When Winter Ends, and this is just regular black coffee, I think maybe Folgers or something. Anyway, so grab you a cup of coffee, grab you something to eat, something whatever, and sit back and relax, and let's just enjoy some good old yarny talk. Nothing like the first sip of the day. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. I have some things that I've been working on, which are some 18-inch doll clothes, and I'm kind of stuck on the pig theme, and I am really having a lot of fun with it. So let me show you guys what I've got on that. All right, so the newest pattern that I have out is this little pig outfit right here. This is a little removable skirt, so let's just go ahead and take it off, and then on the back, we have this. Isn't it cute? I think it's just adorable. But yeah, I am stuck on the pig thing. So I'm having a lot of fun with this. So I do have another one in the works going, and I'll show that in just a second. But the little other pig outfit that I have is right here. Let's see if I can get this on her. It's this cute little outfit right here. This one, I just finished. I finished this one first, and then the suit came second. And here's the back side. So, and then I don't have the shoes on it because they're on this other doll, but it's the little pig shoes that go with it. So, the other thing that I'm working on for the pig theme, I'm having so much fun with it, oh my gosh, is it's going to be a pig gown. And I've got my big twist yarn. I believe this one is medium rose. And here is what I've got so far. This is where I'm at. And I have a tip for you guys. When I'm working on my pants or these long gowns or different things that I'm working on for these dolls, to keep your line from going that way, what I do is when I slip stitch to the beginning to the beginning stitch, I chain one. Well, I do that for like 2 rows, and then when I get to the 3rd row, I will slip stitch to the beginning stitch, and then I will slip stitch into the next stitch, and then chain 1 there. And it just kind of keeps it on track. And as you can tell, see, my thing is right here. See, otherwise this would be going that way. And to help keep it on track, that's what I do. I just slip stitch into my beginning stitch, and then I slip stitch into the next stitch. So anyway, and I do that sometimes maybe every row, and then sometimes I might do it every other row. But I just kind of watch it and make sure that I'm even with this. But yeah, so maybe that tip will help you guys, especially when you're making my doll clothes and you're doing those pants and you want that seam. Let's see if it, make sure I did it on this one. Yeah, see, you can't really tell on this because I've got this here, but I did it on this one as well because I didn't start till here, so I had this whole long row here that I had to do. And so I just slip stitch over into the next stitch, and that helps keep it even. Alrighty, so the next thing I've got made for the doll outfit, for the gown, is this little nightcap right here. So she'll have that, and this will be the gown. It's going to have a pig face here. It's going to have a pocket. It's going to be striped on the bottom of the gown, and it's going to have the same ruffle right here on the bottom of the gown. So let me show you a picture of it. Oh, and I'm using a G hook and an H hook for pretty much this whole thing. For the gown, there probably won't be any, yeah, there'll be the pig shoes, and it's a G hook. So, because I do my shoes in a G hook. But this is what I'm working on right there. So this will be the pig face. This will be the pocket. And this will be some stripes. And I'm going to have cap sleeves on it. And then there's the ruffle down at the bottom. So yeah, that's going to be another project. But yeah, I think I want to do one more thing in the pig thing before I get off of that theme and go on to something else. You know, we have Easter and things like that coming. So I want to start doing some Easter related type doll clothes. So but I'm just kind of stuck on this pig theme. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, I did get some happy mail. Thank you, Kelly. Oh my gosh. She, well, for one thing, well, everybody knows my P.O. box, but here's the card, the pretty little hearts, and then the pretty hearts on the back. Thank you, Kelly. Here it is. It's beautiful. Look at this. She hand makes her cards. She's a card maker. It's just beautiful. And then here's the inside. But I don't know if you noticed the little bling that she added. And this stuff is 3D. So, yeah, it's very cool. It says, made with love. Thank you so much, Kelly. I appreciate that. All right, let's see. Moving on. Let's see, the doll outfits. Well, oh, there is something I'm going to do today. I have Whip Caddy Wednesday coming up, as you know. And I plan on taking my Whip Caddy that is a total mess. And it really just has a bunch of stuff in it. Just crochet related things. Nothing really related to what I'm actually working on. It has just become another space in my yarn room that's carrying stuff. So I plan on taking that all down, everything off of it, and starting fresh with what I'm actually working on. So I will show that to you guys Wednesday. Yeah, I'll probably film myself taking everything out and then putting in it what I actually need. So look forward to that. And I have a few little tips for Whip Caddy Wednesday coming up. I think you guys will enjoy, thanks to my sister Tanya. And let's see, what else do I have? Well, I am working on this project. I guess I can show that real quick. All right, here it is, guys. Haven't really gotten that far with it, but it's that, I got one sleeve. It's the little pullover cardigan, and it's for Charlie. So hopefully by this winter, she'll be able to wear this. And I am using Friends Cotton 8/8 100% cotton yarn. So there's no telling how bad this is going to shrink when I go to wash it. But that's okay. She's a little tiny girl. So I think it'll fit her by fall, especially if it shrinks, right? Okay, guys, let's go ahead and go into our Be Still and Know devotion. Precious. Because you are precious to me, because I give you honor and love you, I will give other people in your place. I will give other nations to save your life. Isaiah 43:4. Do you know how precious your life is to God? We have all heard a million times about how He loved the world so much that He sent His Son to die for us. But do we truly understand how desperately God longs for us? How passionately He pursues us? God's love is the most powerful force in the entire universe, and it is focused on you. His love can cover any sin that you've committed or ever will commit. He is always ready to bring you back to Himself. Never allow shame to keep you from His love. No matter how far you feel you've gone, you are never beyond repair. Dear Jesus, thank you that your love is not just something you speak about, but it's something you proved when you died for me. You paid the highest price for love, and I can never thank you enough. Help me to know how much you truly do love me so that I can take the love I've been shown by you and help others come to know your love that same way. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed that as much as I do. I love being able to read that out to you guys. Okay, guys, don't forget, we're having the basket crochet along, monthly crochet along, so that you can make a basket every month. I'll leave the Etsy pattern link in the description box below, and I will leave the video tutorial. Go check that pattern out. It's a very easy pattern, and it's just, you know, a crochet a month. Let's see. Like here's one of the baskets. It's just crochet a basket a month, and you can use your basket for... You can use your basket to keep your yarns in like this. I am actually going to make my basket for March. I've already made February, so I'm going to make one for March. And I'm just going to use yarns out of this right here and put them together. You're using 3 strands of yarn together if you're using a medium 4-weight yarn. This yarn was a bulky yarn, and so I believe I just used 1 strand maybe. I can't remember now. How I did this one. But anyway, if you're using bulky, just use 1 strand, maybe 2 to go with it if it's a soft bulky, because you want it to be nice and tight. So, yeah, so if you want to join in on the monthly basket crochet along, come on and join us. You'll have 12 baskets, and you can make any size, small, medium, large, whatever you need. And talking about storage, oh my gosh. I plan on making some for my closet and some for my bathroom, and then a few more here in my yarn room. So get busy. Come on, guys, get busy. Join in with the monthly basket crochet along. Oh, and start posting in my Facebook group page. How could I forget that? Be sure and post your pictures and stuff, and I'll try to do, another slideshow and stuff showing baskets and stuff, because we all love baskets. Oh yeah, I forgot what I'm wearing. This is the Simple Summer Cardigan. If you're interested in this pattern, it's in my Etsy shop, and I think there may be a YouTube tutorial. I have to check, and if it is, I'll leave a link to that. But here's the back side. So, yeah, isn't it just beautiful? I love this. Anyway, so yeah, see all these hose? It's fantastic. So yeah, so I plan on making a few more of these. I've got some yarn pulled out already, and because I love wearing these in the summertime, I mean, they are just fantastic. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do, is make a few more of these. Okay, guys, that's all that I have for this video. Just remember to live life and to have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.